Cleo subscription only feels worth it when you actually use its cash advance and budgeting tools regularly, because most of the value is tied to features that don't matter if you're only checking your balance once in a while. By the end, you'll understand what the Cleo subscription is paying for, what changes without it, and how to quickly decide if it's worth your money. Cleo is built as a budgeting and cash advance assistant. That means the free version mainly shows basic financial insights, while the subscription unlocks deeper budgeting tools, cash advance eligibility features, and more personalized financial tracking. If you're not actively using those tools, the subscription won't feel useful. Now, focus on the biggest misunderstanding. Cleo's subscription does not guarantee cash advances. The app still checks your bank activity, income patterns, and spending behavior before offering money. If your account data doesn't meet its internal criteria, you may still see limited or no advance offers even with a paid plan. Next, look at what the subscription is actually doing. It mainly improves access to features like faster financial insights, expanded budgeting tools, and better visibility into your spending habits. It's designed to help you manage money, not just give you instant cash on demand. Now check usage patterns. If you only open Cleo when you need quick money, the subscription can feel unnecessary. But if you're using it daily to track spending or monitor your budget, the paid features become more relevant because they give you more detailed financial breakdowns. Now, talk about eligibility behavior. Cleo adjusts what it shows based on your bank connection and transaction history. If your income is irregular or your account connection breaks, your cash advance options can change or disappear. That's often mistaken for the subscription not working. Now look at value. The subscription only makes sense if you're actively using multiple features, not just cash advances. If you're not using budgeting insights or tracking tools, then the free version often covers everything you actually need. Here's the simple breakdown. Cleo's subscription is tied to financial insights, eligibility signals, and budgeting tools rather than guaranteed cash access. Its value depends on how often you use the app and how consistent your banking data is. Do this next. Open your Cleo app and check what features you actually use in a typical week. Then review your cash advance eligibility history and see if it's consistent or changing frequently. After that, decide if the budgeting tools are something you actively rely on. If you're only using it for occasional cash advances, the subscription probably isn't necessary. Cleo works best when it's used as a budgeting assistant, not just a quick cash app.